Let's dive into the snoring symphony. Why do men snore more than women? It turns out men are more likely to produce nighttime rumbles due to narrower air passages and often larger necks. These factors create a perfect storm for creating those nightly nasal concerts. But wait, there's more. Men typically have more muscle mass in their upper airways, which, when relaxed and combined with gravity, leads to that resonant snore. So while women might sleep soundly beside them, men audition for a role in the Chainsaw Symphony every night, leaving everyone questioning if they're asleep or secretly practicing for a lumberjack contest.